Grand Rising. All right, so this video is a manifesting hack for money. So as you're driving throughout your day and you see buildings, you see signs, billboards, I want you to imagine these as being huge dollar signs. Now, when I did this, it just made me laugh. I mean, I was just laughing hysterically. But I don't know why. I think it was just bringing out my inner child because I was having fun with it. So if you see a car wash, imagine it's a huge dollar sign. If you see a Subway, it's a huge dollar sign. If you see a gas station, it's a huge dollar sign. And try this for 7 days, and you'll start to notice that you're impressing your subconscious mind with a sign of money. Therefore, money will come to you. Remember, the feeling of wealth produces wealth. So keep this in mind whenever you're manifesting. Everything dollar signs. Everything dollar signs. Let the money come to you.